We're here at the 10th annual Color of the Year Color Trends Forecast meeting for 2021 in New York City. The Color Trends workshop for our customers is super important. They expect every year for us to come with color directions and translations of trends for them.
Today we are looking at all of the trends that are happening for 2021, and we are divided into groups that look at the different trend directions that are going on right now and in the following year.
The trend forecasting process is important for our customers because it helps to give them the confidence in choosing colour for their home.
We use the PPG Global Color Forecast at the Home Depot really just to inspire the customer to look at colors in a new way as we're coming into the fall season, which is a huge decorating time of the year. This is a way just to kind of start that conversation again.
It will be kind of like a go-to tool for them. Hopefully, because the trends are built around themes and stories, it can also contribute to a more sustainable way for them to use colour and materials and design.